Hi, I'm Vandana Senthil, Brand Ambassador for Dress My Craft, and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm sharing my design team kit for the February month 2020 from Dress My Craft. Dress My Craft is a premium brand company catering to crafting supplies for versatile artists. It's an in-house production of Crafters Corner, India. We have some amazing products launched by Dress My Craft and showcase them at Creativation in USA. We were also given the opportunity to showcase our projects that we had done using the design team kits, and I have to take this opportunity and thank Dress My Craft for giving me one such platform to showcase my talents. Thank you so much. Recently, Dress My Craft launched these rice decoupage paper, and they are super gorgeous. The designs are, I think, about 12 and in this collection, but the prints that I managed to pull out were more of shabby chic kind of related themes. So I'm sharing the product code and you can see how gorgeous they look. So these are very good for your collage effects, and you could do art journaling with it. Lately I'm very much into that. So these are the embossing folders that were launched as an add-on for the easy cut die cut machine, and the first look was like, it looks super cute. I thought it would be apt for doing ATC kind of projects. So if anybody is out there looking for some ATC kind of projects, I think these would totally work into that zone. So this month we had to make like a lot of flower making projects, so that is why you see a huge collection stacked up on my table. And at first look I thought, I was so confused. I didn't know the collection were too many and I didn't know how to zone in and just pick out few dies, and it was very hard. So I had to segregate them according to the sizes. So I went for large, medium and mini. But you can see in that one die they have given you 5 dies, but that is just to create the layers for it. You could also individually take it and create a filler flower. But I would recommend that if you're going to invest into flower making, at least buy 2 types of flowers, so that gives you more interesting outlook on your projects. And these blades are very sharp, so I think they could be used for your foams, foamy round sheets, or for your fabrics, or even for your paper flowers. And I'm very happy with the collection. I have to say now that this was something that I don't normally venture into, but now that it has come onto my crafting mat, so I thought like let me give it a go. These look super cute. The most important tools for your flower making projects would be definitely to invest into these foam pads, and one is embossing, the other one is the perforating. Embossing is to create the structure of your flowers, and perforation pad is used normally for creating your piercing and for assembling your flowers. What you can't miss out are the tools for flower making, and those are the ball tools, and these come as a combo, or you could buy them individually. It doesn't I think it makes more sense to buy it as a combo unit, because you never know what size of flowers you're going to be making. And this is a golf groove tool set for creating creases onto the flowers. So this is absolutely must-have tools if you are planning on flower making. From the Poland's category, I'm sharing the product codes. They have a huge collection out there, but I decided to tailor it down to very soft color tones. So I like all my flowers to have a very softer look. And these Polands, they kind of give that very realistic look to your flowers. So go ahead and check out the Dress My Craft website or Crafters Corner. They have amazing collection of Polands there. Besides these, I bought some resin frames from Crafters Corner. Also, I have to include these styrofoam pointed buds, which I had put in through the Dress My Craft website. Now for my personal stash, I wanted to buy some paper packs from Dress My Craft, and this was also launched recently. This is called the Chirping Birds. I don't think there is a 6x6 in this, but there was this 12x12. It's so reasonably priced, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. See how beautiful those pinks and greens are. Absolutely pastel. Lovely, lovely prints on it. So I bought 2 paper packs because I thought like I would want to do some scrapbook or something like that. So I just didn't want to stick around with 1 pack. If I have 2 packs, then I know like I will not go short of it, because you have to pull in your orders fast. When it comes to Dress My Craft, things just go out of stock very fast. How beautiful those prints are. It's amazing. I'm totally right now filled with happiness, and I'm really excited to start my projects using these papers. Very, very pastel, and they have this, again, this shabby chic look to it. So I think I can do so much with this. So lately I've been doing a lot of art journaling, and I wanted to try out some beautiful papers to collage, and I think this would perfectly be suited for that. I think I'm totally addicted to this paper collection. So I don't know if I'm going to put in some more orders for this paper packs, but let me see. I think I might want to have 1 more pack in my hand. So that's it, and I think I still have 1 more paper pack to share with you. Normally all Dress My Craft papers, they come at 240 GSM, but right now this paper pack is at 210 GSM. Still the papers are quite strong. I mean, like, you can use them for your crafting projects. And what I'm showing right now is the Floral Oriental collection, and this is for flower making, or you could use for your scrapbook, other crafting related projects. There should be another 1 paper, but right now I think I've not yet received that order through, so I think it will arrive a bit late. But this is all, and I'm so excited to share with you my projects, and fingers crossed, I hope that you are inspired. Thank you for your support, and thank you for being here.